Svante Pääbo is a Swedish biologist specializing in evolutionary genetics. One of the founders of paleogenetics, he has worked extensively on the Neanderthal genome. Life. Pääbo was born in Stockholm and grew up with his mother, Estonian chemist Karin Pääbo. He barely knew his father, biochemist Sune Bergström, who shared the Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine with Bengt I. Samuelsson and John R. Vane in 1982. He earned his PhD from Uppsala University in 1986. Since 1997, he has been director of the Department of Genetics at the Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology in Leipzig, Germany. Work. Pääbo is known as one of the founders of paleogenetics, a discipline that uses the methods of genetics to study early humans and other ancient populations. In 1997, Pääbo and colleagues reported the successful sequencing of Neanderthal mitochondrial DNA, originating from a specimen found in Feldhofer Grotto in the Neander Valley. In August 2002, Pääbo's department published findings about the language gene FOXP2, which is lacking or damaged in some individuals with language disabilities. In 2006, Pääbo announced a plan to reconstruct the entire genome of Neanderthals. In 2007, he was named one of Time magazine's 100 most influential people of the year. In February 2009, at the annual meeting of the American Association for the Advancement of Science in Chicago, it was announced that the Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology had completed the first draft version of the Neanderthal genome. Over 3 billion base pairs were sequenced in collaboration with the 454 Life Sciences Corporation. This project, led by Pääbo, will shed new light on the recent evolutionary history of modern humans. In March 2010, Pääbo and his co-workers published a report about the DNA analysis of a finger bone found in the Denisova cave in Siberia. The results suggest that the bone belonged to an extinct member of the genus Homo that had not yet been recognized, the Denisova hominin. In May 2010, Pääbo and his colleagues published a draft sequence of the Neanderthal genome in the journal Science. He and his team also concluded that there was probably interbreeding between Neanderthals and Eurasian humans. There is growing support in the scientific community for this theory of admixture between archaic and anatomically modern humans, though some archaeologists remain skeptical about this conclusion. In 2014, he published the book Neanderthal Man, In Search of Lost Genomes, where he, in the mixed form of a memoir and popular science, tells the story of the research effort to map the Neanderthal genome combined with thought on human evolution. Awards and recognitions. In 1992, he received the Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz Prize of the Deutsche Forschungsgemeinschaft, which is the highest honor awarded in German research. Pääbo was elected a member of the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences in 2000. In October 2009, the Foundation for the Future announced that Pääbo had been awarded the 2009 Kistler Prize for his work isolating and sequencing ancient DNA, beginning in 1984 with a 2,400-year-old mummy. In June 2010, the Federation of European Biochemical Societies awarded him the Theodor Bucher Medal for outstanding achievements in biochemistry and molecular biology. In 2013, he received Gruber Prize in Genetics for groundbreaking research in evolutionary genetics. In June 2015, he was awarded the degree of DSc at New Galway. He was elected a foreign member of the Royal Society in 2016. Bibliography. Pääbo, Svante. Ancient DNA. Scientific American. 269, 60-66. Svante Pääbo publications in PubMed. Retrieved 27 July 2011. Svante Pääbo Publications in Google Scholar. Retrieved 27 July 2011. Edge Mapping the Neanderthal Genome, A Conversation with Svante Pääbo. Retrieved 27 July 2011. Candy, Marjorie Dent, Block, Maxine Roth, Anna Hirth. Current Biography Yearbook. New York, H.W. Wilson, ISBN 0824210840. Harold M. Schmeck, Jr. Intact genetic material extracted from an ancient Egyptian mummy. New York Times. Colbert, Elizabeth. Sleeping with the Enemy. What Happened Between the Neanderthals and Us. The New Yorker. No, August 15, Amp. 22, 2011. pp. 64-75. Svante Pääbo, Neanderthal Man in Search of Lost Genomes. Basic Books. ISBN 9780465020836. A Neanderthal Perspective on Human Origins. 10 September 2014. Retrieved 15 November 2014.